So service design to me means choreography more than anything else. When I think about the environment that we move about, or the various design disciplines that we interact with or that I've been in over the years, we tend to talk about things in terms of ownership. But the reality of service design and the power of service design is that where there isn't ownership of any given discipline, be it proper design or technology or people or risk or process, it doesn't really own anything, but what it does is it has the guardianship of the relationship between all the elements that go into creating or supporting the provision of a service. And so that's what it means to me. Connecting the dots, putting together and connecting decision-making points and points of impact throughout the system, and really having both the bird's eye view and the detailed view of what customer, businesses and people want.
So service design is still quite a new phenomenon, and some people really know it and some people aren't so sure what that really means. So for me, service design is taking the core methodology of design, which it turns out you can apply to a lot of things. I first learnt it as a product designer, but I've applied it to digital experiences and now end-to-end customer experiences. And I suppose that's where my definition of service design is, that it's the combination of all the touch points, and it's a rigorously customer-centric view of what is going on, and a rigorously customer-centric view of how it should go on. So designing what a perfect customer experience should be is, I think, the job of service design, and specifically the brilliant people who are service designers and bring that design methodology to life.
So for me, service design is about instigating change and thinking about something differently is all about getting to the right problem to eventually get to the right answer. This can be difficult sometimes, as organisations will think that they know what the problems and the solutions are, but those aren't always necessarily obvious. And I think that good service design is generally when you're creating things that people can't see and they just don't know there's even a service there.
I think service design is a unique way of getting a holistic view of a service. As a service designer, you get to engage with various actors, various departments that are part of the service. It's also a way of identifying gaps and opportunities collaboratively. You get to see where customers experience pain points, where they're frustrated maybe with the service, and how we can improve that. Beyond that, I think service design is a unique way of innovating, and that's probably because service design is driven by real customer needs.